I'd like to welcome everybody. I think the program even became more important in order to get this multidisciplinary type of learning and integration going, which could be the main big advantage here, linking and getting people together to learn and at the same time innovate in a collaborative way. You guys have made me proud, and also everybody else in SEG.
I feel very hopeful, as one of the previous speakers said, that this might be the way we have to work for some time, and you guys are nailing it.
And in terms of bringing together, let's say this multidisciplinary approach, and also this, collaborative support to one another, right, that they have displayed actually today, and also working with other teams in other parts of the world, because this is the reality of our industry, is also leveraging, the global footprint and leveraging, the worldwide knowledge to be able to also help address, local challenges and local specificities.
It is definitely one of the hardest things that you can do as you come out into the workforce is show that you can work with a multitude of different people. I think Karim had talked about diversity. It's definitely proven here that you guys have worked within various different groups, and especially the collaboration with the Russians. I think that's a very challenging thing to do whenever not necessarily in competition, but you're in conversation with other groups. Everybody wins whenever you open and you work together, and I think you guys prove that.
Okay, good morning. My name is Francisco Ortigosa. I'm the Director for Innovation and Technology. I have been during 15 years the Director of Geophysics for the company, but now I'm in this role of the technology. I have been 30 years in Repsol, and I'm very glad to know that this team has been collaborating in the cloud, because this is the future, is the trend. And I think that even more with the current circumstances that are happening in the world is the way to go. So it's very good that the fearless explorers are really at the edge of the activity.
When you look at also in Egypt, and we're the team really made us proud when we talk about His Excellency the Minister of Petroleum here. Putting a lot of focus, on the future pool of leaders, right, for the oil and gas sector. So I think the team here today showed us actually that we have nothing to worry. That the talent is here, the talent is live.
Because this, in my opinion, is the best program that the SEG has ever run in terms of impact on the clients and impact on education of the future integrated G&G and reservoir engineering staff that's going to be required in the future.
So really, it's fantastic to see the passion and really what the SEG has contributed, and the continuous engagement, right, with the students. So thank you very much for the opportunity to be here today, and you have also gained a very also passionate mentor for the future and support, right, for the SEG and for the students and for these activities to help really build the future pool of talent, right, for the industry, not only in Egypt but worldwide.
Fantastic program. Thank you, Mike. Thanks, Alan, for all the hard work that you have been putting. That's real efforts with all those teams. It needs lots of passion and also, lots of knowledge and ability to lead those teams.
I think it's a fantastic program. I think it's great for this time. COVID can't stop it. I think that's fabulous. So congratulations to everyone. Thank you.